Hi, boys and girls. Today we're going to have a sounds first lesson. Remember, the first part of the lesson is rhyming words. We used to clap the rhyming words, but a little bit has changed. I'm going to give you two words, and if you think that the words rhyme, we're going to use the sign language symbol for yes, is when you make a fist and then you just, like you're nodding your head up and down, you'll nod your hand, your fist up and down. Like this means yes, and this will mean no. So yes, if you think the two words rhyme. No, if you think they do not rhyme. So let's get started. The first two words are shop, stop. Do you think they rhyme? Do they sound the same at the end of the word? Shop, stop. Yes. All right, the next two words. Run, no. Run and no. The answer is no. Those two words do not rhyme. All right, let's try these words. Go, no. Do they sound the same at the end? Are they rhyming words? Go, no. Yes. And how about these two words? Cow, part. Cow, part. If you answered no, you're right. They do not rhyme. All right, how about these two? Mouse, house. Are they rhyming words? Mouse, house. Yes. All right. The next part of our sounds first lesson is the two syllable words, the words that have two word parts or two syllables. I'm going to say the sentence and then you copy me. So my turn first. The boy was absent from school. Good. Now the word absent. 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 That's a two-syllable word. Absent. Absent. All right. The next sentence, I'll say it and then you copy what I say. The kitten was cute. And the word is kitten. Kitten. It's a baby cat, a kitten. All right. When will it happen? The word is happen. Happen. Red velvet cake tastes good. The word is velvet. 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 Good. And the last one is, I'm going to the dentist. The word is dentist. 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 Good. Now, the next part is, I'm going to say two words. First, I'll say a word and we're going to get the beginning sound of the word. All right. right, I'm going to get the beginning sound of the word. The first word is Tim. It starts with a T. I'm going to get the T at the beginning. T-M. Good. The next word is Tom. It also starts with letter T, and T says T. I'm going to get the T at the beginning of Tom. T-om. Good. That was Tim and Tom. All right. The next words are lunch and launch. They both begin with the L, and L makes the sound L, L. So let me get the L at the beginning of the word lunch. Lunch. That's kind of hard. Let me try that again. Lunch. All right, and the next word is launch. I'm going to get the L. Launch. Good. The next two words begin with P. P makes the sound P. It's a really soft sound. Could you hear it? P. So I'm going to say the word pet, and I'm going to get the P at the beginning of the word. P-et. Pet. And the next word is pit. Starts with a P. P-it. Pit. Yes, pet and pit. All right. The last two words start with a V and an R sound together that makes the sound vr, vr, vr. The first word is vroom. That's the sound that a truck or a motorcycle might make. Vroom, vroom. So I'm going to get the VR, the vr, at the beginning of vroom. Ready? Vroom, vroom. And the next word that begins with vr is vrim. This is not a real word, actually. It's a nonsense word. It's a silly word. Vrim. But I'm going to get the VR at the beginning of the word. Vrim. Vrim. All right. Now, using those same words, we're going to get the ending sound. Remember, the words were Tom and Tim. They both end with an M. So I'm going to get the M at the end of those words. Tom, Tom, and Tim, Tim. Very good. We got Tom and Tim. The next two words were lunch and launch. We're going to get, they end with a CH at the end of the word, and CH makes the sound ch, ch. Like in the books that we read earlier this week. Chair, like a ch, chair. For my mother, remember that book? Ch. Those two letters make the ch sound. So we're going to get the CH at the end of the word lunch. 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 And the second word was launch. We're going to get the CH at the end. Launch. Good. Lunch. Launch. All right. Now the other two words were pet and pit. They begin with a P, but they end with a T, and we're going to get the ending sound T. So at the end of the word pet, we'll get the T. Pet, pet, and pit, pit, pit. Very good. The last words were vroom and vrim, and they both end with the M. So let's get the M at the end of vroom. Vroom, vroom, and vrim. Vrim, vrim. Very good. The last part is the alliteration, where most of the words in the sentence begin with the same letter. In this case, it's the letter F. F makes the sound F. You put your top teeth on your bottom lip. All right? This sentence, I'll say it first and then you repeat it. A family of foxes found a family of ferrets. A family of foxes found a family of ferrets. Ferret is a kind of an animal. It's kind of like a weasel. So they all, let's say, family, foxes, ferrets. You say it. Family, foxes, ferrets. Good, and we'll make the F sound 3 times. It's kind of a soft sound too, like P. All right, see you next time.